Hey guys, welcome back to Business Breaks. Right now, we are gonna see an important topic. It's all about cloud seeding. Cloud seeding is a weather modification technique used to stimulate or enhance perceptions like rain, snow, or hail suppression by dispersing certain substances into clouds that after the microphysical process within them. So, what is cloud seeding all about? It is essentially an artificial way to encourage rainfall or sometimes to prevent hailstorm or fog. Sometimes release particles into clouds to serve as nuclei around which water droplets or ice crystals can form, making clouds more likely to produce rain or snow. So, how is the process of cloud seeding? First comes identification of clouds. That is, not all clouds can be seeded. They need enough moisture to respond. And same way, disposal of seeding agents. That is, common substance like silver iodide that is mostly widely used mimics ice structure. Sodium chloride, that is table salt. Next is dry ice, that is frozen carbon dioxide. And next liquid propane in some cases, and releasing using aircraft, rockets, or ground-based generators. And right now it's all about using drones. And next it's all about cloud microphysics, that is the particle act as a cloud condensation nuclei or ice nuclei, that is water vapor condenses or freezes around them, forming larger droplets or crystals. These droplets grow heavy and eventually fall as rain or snow. And cloud seeding was first found in this world. First, the concept dates back to 1940. That is the first successful experiment in 1946. That is Vincent Scaffa and Irving Langmuir, a General Electric researchers in USA, demonstrated cloud seeding by using dry ice to create snow from a cloud. Later, Bernard von Get, brother of novelist Kurt Wong, then discovered the use of silver iodide for seeding in 1947. How many countries are conducted to have? That is, at least 39 countries are confirmed to have cloud seeding programs, according to a December report by the US Government Accountability Office, cited in July 2025 news article. And next, other reputable sources reports even broader. More than 50 countries have experimented with cloud seeding since 1940s. The World Meteorological Organization notes over 50 countries have adopted weather modification, presumably including cloud seeding. And the specialized statistics page claims at least 56 countries have ongoing cloud seeding. So countries use cloud seeding for different reasons depending on the climate, water needs, and hazards. So let's see what are the main reasons. First comes increase in rainfall and water supply. That is agriculture to provide more water for crops, drinking water in arid regions with limited fresh water, and same hydropower to ensure rivers and reservoirs get enough inflow for electricity generation. Example, UAE, China, India. And same is snowpack enhancement, that is to increase snowfall in mountains which melts in spring and feeds rivers and reservoirs. Example, USA, that are Colorado, Utah, Nevada, Canada, and Switzerland. And next it's all about drought. That is during prolonged droughts, cloud seeding can provide temporary relief by producing rain where natural rainfall is scarce. Example, Australia, South Africa, and Israel. And next it's all about hail suppression, that is to reduce hailstorm damage to crops, cars, and buildings by encouraging smaller ice particles instead of large destructive hailstorm. Example, Russia, Kazakhstan, and France. And next, fog improve visibility for aviation and airports by dispersing fog. Example, USA military and civilian airports, and UK air pollute, that is rain can wash pollutants and dust out of the air. Example, China has used cloud seeding before major events like the 2008 Beijing Olympics to reduce smoke. So what are the disadvantages of cloud seeding? That is uncertain effectiveness, that is works only if clouds already have enough moisture. Results are not guaranteed and varied by region. And next, high cost, requires plane, rockets, chemicals, and ongoing operation, and it is very expensive. And next, possible environment concern, that is chemicals like silver iodide can accumulate in soil and water. And next is about weather manipulation risk, that is cloud unintentionally cause floods in seeded areas or deprive nearby regions of rainfall. And next, legal and ethical issues, that is cross-border disputes. One country's seeding could reduce rainfall in another. And next, long-term ecological impact unknown, that is still under research. Effects on ecosystem, groundwater, and weather cycle, the research is going on. So cloud seeding can boost water resource and protect against hazard, but it is expensive, unpredictable, and mental and ethical. Does India use cloud seeding? Yes, India use cloud seeding both historically and in recent effort. That is, cloud seeding in India is all about 1950s to 1990. Even Tata companies experimented with ground-based silver iodide generators in the Western Ghats. From 1957 to 1966, the Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorological conducted warm cloud seeding trials in North India using salt seeding. And next, a large scale, that is 1973 to 1986 experiment, that is around Pune, showed up to 24% rainfall increase under ideal cloud condition. Next, states like Tamil Nadu 1983 to 94, Karnataka in 2003 and 4, and Maharashtra early 2000 conducted state level cloud seeding, often in collaboration with private entities. And next, modern research and coordination. 2018-19 university and government efforts have ramped up, that is CAPAS, that is cloud arousal interaction and perception. It's been experiment in Solapur showed about 18% rainfall enhancement during monsoon trials. And same way, IIT Kanpur secured clearance and ran trials in 2018 with 5 out of 6 missions producing them. And same way, state programs like Karnataka's project Varshadari, that is in 2007, also used aircraft spraying to induce rain in drought prone zones. The most important, Delhi's cloud seeding for pollution control. In 2023-24, Delhi explored cloud seeding to combat winter smog, but efforts were halted due to low winter moisture, logistical issues, and lack of aircraft. And same in May 2025, the Delhi cabinet approved cloud seeding trials with 3.2 crore budget to conduct 5 sorties to induce artificial rain and reduce air pollution. Trials were initially planned for July 2025, then postponed to August 30, September 10, 2025, along with meteorological guidance. And same way, experts still warn cloud seeding is not a long-term pollution fix, as it depends on adequate cloud cover and favorable weather. The future of cloud seeding, that is growth. Climate change is making droughts, heat wave, and extreme weather more common. Countries facing water stress, that's like India, Middle East, parts of Africa, US, West, are likely to expand cloud seeding program. And same with technological advance, that is better targeting like AI, drones, and satellites will help identify the right clouds more precisely. And same with drones and autonomous aircraft could replace expensive piloted missions. Same way, nanoparticles or eco-friendly seeding materials may reduce environmental concerns from silver iodide. Right? And same way, diversified application, that is agriculture boosting yields in water stressed farmlands, and urban air quality like Delhi pollution project in 2000. And same with disaster mitigation, that is reducing hailstorm damage, controlling floods, or managing wildfires by inducing rain. And next, it's all about geopolitical and legal implications, that if one region seeds cloud, neighboring areas may claim they are stealing rain. And same way, international regulation may be needed under the UN's EN Modi Convention, that is environmental modification. So possible future is weather rights treaties between countries, and environmental and ethical research, that is more study will assess long-term effects on ecosystem, soil, and groundwater. And same way, push towards green cloud seeding method, that is using sea salt or biodegradable materials instead of chemicals. And same way, India's future role, India could become a regional leader as IIT Kanpur, CAPEX, and state government invest in new likely expansion into monsoon enhancement projects and pollution control in mega cities. The future of cloud seeding is bright, but not a magic solution. It will be one tool among many for managing water and climate challenges. You know what all things this human creates, right? All these things are astonishing. I hope you would be understanding the concept of cloud seeding and future generation. You need not worry, as water is already present in this cloud. Only the technologies need to be improved, that is cloud seeding. So I hope the video is interesting. So that's all in this video. Take care. Have a great day.